Hi guys, here's that box fan. I'm gonna show you. It's a what is it? 20-inch box fan. Don't know what the brand of it is. There's spider webs at the back, so I'm not going to turn it around. Okay, I'm gonna do it really quick. I don't want things to blow up, so speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. That was pretty loud. It's off now. Sorry guys. People are sleeping downstairs, so I don't want to wake them up. And we're just gonna wait till it spins down, then I'll take its little brother out. Put this guy back in. This does have quite a... Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.